been anchored, anchored in the Lord, in the Lord, in the Lord. My soul's been anchored in the Lord, my Lord, my soul's been anchored in the Lord, good Lord, my soul's been anchored in the Lord.
Before I stay in hell one day,
My soul's been anchored in the Lord.
I'll sing and pray myself away.
My soul's been anchored
in the Lord,
My soul's been anchored
in the Lord,
My soul's been anchored in the Lord, in the Lord, in the Lord. My soul's been anchored in the Lord. My soul's been anchored in the Lord. And my soul's been anchored in the Lord. My soul's been anchored in the Lord. My soul's been anchored in the Lord. And my soul's been anchored in the Lord.
my soul's been anchored in the Lord, my soul's been anchored, my soul's
In the Lord,
been
in the Lord, my soul's been anchored in the Lord.
my soul's
In the Lord, my soul's been anchored in the Lord. In the Lord, my soul's been anchored in the Lord.
my soul's been anchored, my soul's
In the
been
Lord,
anchored,
my soul's been anchored in the Lord.
my soul's
In the Lord, my soul's been anchored in the Lord. In the Lord, my soul's been anchored in the Lord. My soul's been anchored in the Lord.
my soul's been anchored in the Lord.
My soul's been anchored in the Lord.
St. Mary, I must say welcome to this round. You deserve to be in this round. Your harmony was quite good. One of the things that sets apart a choir and a cappella singing is their ability to stop and start again and start together. And you nailed it. Every time you did that, you nailed it. Right. I think that if you notice that that song has only one sentence, and it must be a challenge to try to find the different things you could do with that one sentence. And I think you did quite a good job. It's just that in some parts that the expression was a little bit severe. You could have softened it up a little to get a different feel in the song. But thank you for that song.
Yes, St. Mary. Oh gosh, don't be nervous. Can't make me feel nervous now. It wasn't as what you call it, really, like some of the other performances, but I really enjoyed it. What it said, my soul is anchored in the Lord. And that I'm gonna start saying no from now. When people ask me if I'm saved, I'm gonna say my soul is anchored in the. Yeah, that's it. Well, good job, guys.